Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Richa Gupta and today I am going to make a secret potato recipe which I am going to reveal after making it. So let's take a look at the recipe. So here I have taken some boiled and peeled potatoes. Now I am going to mash it. So now our potato is being mashed. Now I am going to add some chopped onions in it. Now I am going to add green chillies, chopped green chillies. Now I am going to add some spices in it. First of all, I will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I am also going to add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. If you want more chatpata, you can add a little bit more of chaat masala. Now I will add 2 liquid ingredients in this. Lemon juice, and the other is ginger garlic paste. Now let's add 2 dry ingredients. This is rava, sooji or semolina. It's 2 tablespoons and again 2 tablespoons of maida. This helps for binding. Now let's add some crushed black peppers and salt as per taste. Let's mix this mixture using our hands. Now I mixed it very nicely. So now let's make small balls of it. Something like this. So here my balls are ready. Now here I have taken 100 grams of maida. In that I am going to add some salt as per taste and a little bit of water. Let's make a thin batter of it. It should have a flowing consistency, something like this. Here I have taken some poppy seeds. If you don't have this, you can use breadcrumbs too. I think that you have got an idea that what I am going to make. So let's move forward. In a pan or a wok, take some oil. Take some oil for deep frying our balls. Take a ball, dip it into a batter and then coat it with some seeds, poppy seeds. Again, one more. Now I'm going to fry these balls. Let's deep fry our balls.
One more.
One more. So here our potato balls are ready. Let's take it out. So here my potato balls are ready. Now I'm going to make tikka. Let's begin. This really tastes awesome. So this is my recipe, potato tikka. Let's taste it. Wow. This is very tasty and crunchy. Serve it hot with green chutney or sauce. If you like this recipe, please give this a try and enjoy.